First thing is that let's go to the drawing tools, no? So let's double click drawing tools. Not the lesson number, the view name, the drawing tools. Yeah? Okay, let's zoom in for the first one. Okay, so this instruction is very simple, no? The final output is on the left. Okay, we're going to copy what's in there. Okay, and we're going to draw all onto the right. Okay, so let's talk about line first, no? Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this element? This one. What is this element? Huh? What is that element? What is this element? How do you know it's a wall? How do you know it's a wall? Don't look at it only. So probably it's a beam, no? Who knows? Maybe it's a beam. Maybe it's a any other elements. But for you to check it properly, is actually you have to click on it. And from the properties, you can know that this is actually a wall. Yeah. So don't look only on the appearance, huh? Okay. So now the way how to how this drawing tool will appear. Actually, it will appear if the elements is drawable. No, it can be drawn. Like for example, door. Wall. No. So the drawing tool will come. Okay, but let's say for example, I just press escape now, and if I press door, drawing tool will appear? No, because actually in Revit, when you are going to place a door, it's just click door and apply. You don't need to draw it. Drawing it separately is a different story. No, it's a different thing. Okay, but for now, okay. So let's click wall. Okay, we're going to start with the line here. Okay, so it's very simple. Use the left click here, left, and another click here. And just like Autocad, no, and when you are making a polyline, it will not stop until you press escape. Okay. What about for the second one? We don't have the point to click on. So click wall again, or you start from here, from this point, using line, from this point, just like Autocad, no? Mouse pointing system. To the right by 2500, enter. Going down, 2500, enter. Going right, 2500. Okay, wall from here. Yeah. I have one more slot here. Okay. The third exercise, from this one going up to 500. Okay. Done? Easy? Let's go exercise number 2. Huh? Which one? Okay, we are now on rectangle. Okay, so let's click wall. Let's click wall. Okay, rectangle. So just change the tool. Listen, sir, listen. Okay. If you click wall, change the tool to rectangle instead of line. Point A, point B. First corner, second corner, done. Okay. But what about for the second one? No, I intentionally not to put the second point actually. No? So how are we going to compensate, or how are we going to make something like this now? So from this point, let's just draw any size of rectangle, any size. Okay, so we can modify now. Okay, we can press escape first, press escape. So these two are now okay. So these two, yeah. So let's click on this. Okay, this can be modified, no? So if I click on here, click. Okay, so this is 5,100. Enter. Okay, and press escape once again. And this one, okay, what is the distance of this? No? 4,100. Did you draw the rectangle, sir? Draw it. Okay. Draw it up. Let's escape. Let's escape once more. This on the 4,100. Third one. Can you make the third one, please? Yeah. Okay, so this is not this actually this one should not be moved now. Just try to follow something like you start from this point. Okay, don't move this point. That's the idea. So small mistake. If this is still drawing, this is okay. So that's my only concern. No, this is just an exercise file. You can even start anywhere you want. No, let's say you can start even from here. Okay, so in our, just for the essence of our study, try to follow exactly what is written or what is showing here. Oh, again, this is just an exercise files, no? So it's a practice of. So let's talk about inscribe and circumscribe polygon, no? So let's click wall. So let's talk about this now. Actually, inscribe polygon. See,